It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Air Experts. Is dry air making your home uncomfortable? A whole home humidifier might be the solution you need. Installing a whole home humidifier enhances air quality by reducing dust and allergens, making every breath healthier. Plus, higher humidity can make your home feel warmer, cutting down heating costs and saving you money. Nobody likes dry air in their home. Dry conditions can cause skin irritation, warped wood, and even harmful dust and allergens to linger in your air. Whole home humidifiers are low maintenance, and they offer better humidity control than regular humidifiers and can even boost your home's value. But keep in mind, improper maintenance may lead to mold or mildew. It's essential to set it up correctly and keep it clean. So, is a whole home humidifier worth it? If you're looking for more comfort, better air quality, and energy savings, it definitely could be what your home needs. We thought you'd like to know.